Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever. And open the bonnet. You're able to see the air filter in the top right-hand corner of the engine compartment under the windscreen frame. Take out the waterproofing joint of the windscreen bay by pulling it upwards from one end to the other. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 nuts holding the plastic cover on the windscreen frame. Remove the cover. Using the same tools, unscrew the 2 nuts holding the metal tray. Then remove it. Using a ratchet and a Phillips socket, unscrew the 2 screws of the air filter cover. Then extract it. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
Take the new filter. Remove the old filter from the plastic rack. Compare the new filter with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Replace it by inserting the new one into the rack. Insert the whole thing into the compartment. Then screw the 2 retaining screws back in. Reposition the metal tray, taking care to position it correctly in the rubber guide. Screw the 2 retaining nuts back on. Put the plastic cover back in place, then retighten the 3 nuts. Replace the seal. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.